guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to teach you how to make cookies with all these ingredients. So we have 1 cup of butter, 2 eggs, 2 cups of chocolate chips, half a tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of sugar. And we have 2 cups of flours. So let's start with the recipe. So first, you want to take your butter and then put it all in there. And then you want to take your sugar and then you want to take the sugar, then pour it in here. And then you want to take the brown sugar and pour it in here. Okay. So now we're going to give it a little mix. Okay, so now we're going to add the eggs. And then we're going to add the vanilla. And then we're going to mix it for a little while more. So now we're going to take the salt and the baking soda and we're going to pour it in with the flour. And we can just mix it in. It's in a separate bowl, by the way. Okay, so that should be enough. And now we can pour the mixture in slowly while we are mixing. I'm just going to pour the rest of it. So this is the dough. And now, for the last step, we're going to add all the chocolate chips in and mix. You can mix with a spoon if you want. So now, the amount I like to use when I am making the cookies is about a spoonful, like this big. So if you don't want your cookies to stick to the tray, then you should put some, spread some vegetable oil on the tray so it won't. So now I'm going to put these 2 trays in the oven. Okay. So I baked the cookies for roughly 10 minutes and I was able to make 32 big cookies with this recipe in total. as you can see, I added walnuts to some of them. You can add whatever you want to them, but I added walnuts. So they're good cookies. Enjoy your cookies.